Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno Teacher JA. This is question number 84 out of 150 questions. This question asks 1 divided by 0.25. The choices are A. 25, B. 4, C. 125, D. 1.25. Again, the question and choices are 1 divided by 0.25. The choices are A. 25, B. 4, C. 125, D. 1.25. Do you know how to divide decimals? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you'll have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. 1 divided by 0.25. The choices are A. 25, B. 4, C. 125, D. 1.25. Now to read my answer. 1 divided by 0.25. 1 times 100 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25 equal 4. Answer B. 4. Now to explain my answer. Turn 0.25 into a whole number. Turn 0.25 into a whole number by moving the decimal point 2 times to the right. Turn 0.25 into a whole number by moving the decimal point 2 times to the right. Again, turn 0.25 into a whole number by moving the decimal point 2 times to the right. You move the decimal point 2 times because there are 2 numbers after the decimal point. You move the decimal point 2 times because there are 2 numbers after the decimal point. If there was 1 number after the decimal point, you would move the decimal point 1 time. If there was 3 numbers after the decimal point, you'd move the decimal point 3 times, and so on. Now there are 2 numbers after the decimal point, so move the point 2 times to the right to multiply it. Anything you do on one side of the division sign, you have to do it to the other side of the division sign. Anything that you do to one side of the division sign, you have to do it on the other side of the division sign. So when you move the decimal point 2 times to the right, you actually multiplied it by 100. You actually multiplied it by 100. Moving it 1 time means that you multiplied it by 10. Moving it 2 times means that you multiplied by 100. Moving it 3 times means that you multiplied by 1000, and so on. Again, when you move the decimal point 1 time, it means that you multiply it by 10. When you move it 2 times, it means that you multiply it by 100. When you move the decimal point 3 times, it means that you multiply it by 1000, and so on. Now you move the decimal point 2 times, so therefore you multiplied it by 100. You move the decimal point 2 times, therefore you multiplied it by 100. So you multiplied 0.25 by 100, therefore multiply 1 by 100 also. You multiplied 0.25 by 100, therefore multiply 1 by 100 also. 1 times 100 is 100. 1 times 100 is 100. And 0.25, moving decimal point 2 times, takes a point to the back, so it becomes 25, a whole number, 25. Again, moving a decimal point 2 times from 0.25 means that it becomes a whole number, it becomes 25. Again, 1 times 100 is equal to 100, and 0.25 is equal to 25. Again, 1 times 100 is equal to 100, and 0.25 is equal to 25. 1 times 100 is equal to 100. and 0.25 is equal to 25. Next, 100 divided by 25. 100 divided by 25. 25 into 100 goes 4 times. 25 into 100 goes 4 times. So therefore the answer is 4. The answer is 4. B. Answer B. 4. Answer B. 4. Answer B. 4. Answer B. 4. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Receive assistance over the telephone or by email or in Facebook chat or Facebook messaging or WhatsApp. Receive help over the telephone. If you need help, you can call me and get help. That is GSAT or reading help over the telephone or by email. Sending me emails. We can exchange emails. We can chat via Facebook or chat in Facebook messaging or WhatsApp. If you have a telephone that uses WhatsApp, we can also use WhatsApp to conduct our classes. Help with tests. If you're doing tests, homework, help with your homework. studying, and also computer help for older persons or anyone who needs help with using the computer. In Word, in Microsoft Word, in Introduction to the Computer, in Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Microsoft Publisher, and Internet and emailing, and also speed typing. Help with learning where the keys are so you can type faster. This help is for primary, prep, and high school students, persons who can't use a computer well, persons, adults and children who need help with reading and spelling, etc. Persons of all ages are welcomed. It's for only $2,000 per month. So it's a very convenient service for only $2,000 per month. Payments should be made island-wide at any branch of Jamaica National Building Society, account number 0011114402, Halfway Tree Branch. Account holder's name, Richard Sharp. Email me proof of payment, or you can send me a photograph in WhatsApp. Take a photograph with your phone of the receipt and send it to me via WhatsApp, and that will be proof that will be proof that you have paid. When you have made payment, you should email me to my email address using the email address that you would like me to send emails to when we start our classes, because I will send you materials to read and so on, to do tests from, and we'll go over them over the telephone, Facebook, email, etc. And I will send you materials, so you should send me an email from the email address that you would like me to send the emails to, so that I can have the email address right that I will be sending the emails to. Call me at 353-4752, and this is a number that uses WhatsApp, 353-4752. And you can also call me on my landline number for classes. Call me on 648-3855, 648-3855, 648-3855. This is a digital landline. And you can also email me at jamaicaislandwidelink@yahoo.com. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.